Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check Snapchat profile views on your Snapchat account. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone, and I'm going to tap on my profile on the top left corner, and right here you'll have to scroll down all the way and you'll find an option of my public profile. Now all you'll have to do is to tap on my public profile, and then you'll have to tap on insights on the bottom right corner, and right here just under total followers you'll be able to find an option of profile views. In my case it's one, and it will show you all the data related to profile views, and I have only got one profile views. It may be different in your case. So that's how you can easily check profile views on your Snapchat account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.